How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I ain't posted in a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna be doing a fight. Who's going to win, Cyber Pegasus or Lightning Drago? Let's go.
First battle, everyone.
Oh my, those are some pretty big hits. Ooh, Cyber Pegasus knocked out Lightning Drago with one hit. All right, it's 1 point. We're gonna do first to 5 points. Yeah.
Second battle.
What was that? Did y'all see that? Did you see that? Okay, it's tied up 1-1.
Third battle.
Oh my lord. All right, that was a draw. I believe that was a draw. Next battle. Oh, come on, big hit, big hit. Ooh, big hits. Okay. Lightning Drago takes the lead, 2-1. Next battle. All right, they're just gonna exchange blows like that. I see how it is. All right, it's all tied up 2-2. Let's go next battle. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna redo that. Let's go. All right, he's just gonna send him flying into outer space. I see. 3-2. I have never seen such a intense battle. Like each battle is like not even 5 seconds. All right, let's go. Oh, I really thought Cyber was gonna get that one. I believe it's 4-2 now. If Lightning Drago gets 1 more point, he takes the win. All right, this could be it, folks. This could be it. Oh my! He jumped the barrier. He literally hit him clean over the barrier. It is 4-3. Let's go. This could be it. Oh my lord. Oh my. Guys, you did not see what I just saw. The Cyber Pegasus went straight into my wall and chipped my wall. I don't know what to do now. It is a draw. Oh my. Dude, what is with these bays? These things just send stuff flying. Alright, don't be breaking none of my stuff now. Okay, it's another draw. Alright, let's try this again. Ooh, actually, this is like the first battle I've ever had to include stamina. And he just gets knocked clean out. It is all tied up. It is 4-4. Hey, this is it. Oh, that was crazy. That was unexpected, honestly. I thought Lightning was going to win that. But here's the winner of this video. Cyber Pegasus beats Lightning Drago. Oh my goodness. Can you all actually see Lightning Drago? He actually took some damage during that battle. That was crazy. If y'all like that, like this video, subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. But yeah, see you in the next one. Skadoosh.